Good afternoon, everyone. So right now I'm gonna be walking to the other pool in my neighborhood, and oh my goodness, look at my curl. I just kind of put it like that because it wouldn't stay, so I just kind of made a curl in the back. But anyways, so yeah guys, there's the lake right there, and I'm gonna be walking to the other pool, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so there's the pool of the lake, and then there's the pool over there. They kind of have like a couple of like ducks and iguanas around. They're not out really right now, but yeah. So yeah guys, so you know, I live in Florida, so it's pretty hot. Oh, you see the little ducks right there? Oh, little family. But yeah guys, there's people doing construction, so I'm trying to hurry up to walk to the pool. So see you guys later. So you guys, so I'm gonna probably show you guys the tennis court. Hold on for a second, let me show you guys. Okay you guys, so here's a bench right here, and then that's the tennis court, which is I actually never been in there or tried. They used to have like a little how do I say, like headboard right here, but they took it off, which is kind of sad because it was like kind of cute, and I think I took a picture there before. But yeah, they have more benches over there. One of the benches are kind of broken, but I feel like they need to upgrade this neighborhood. But yeah guys, this is Florida, Cold Springs, Florida. So yeah guys, I was thinking about going to the beach today, but I don't know, I kind of didn't want to take the bus, because taking the bus is probably more likely like an hour or two, because you got to get on like 2 buses, and I kind of don't want to do that. So I think I'm just gonna use what I have to film. So yeah guys. Okay you guys, so walking to the pool right now. Beautiful. They should put like a basketball court right there or something, because this actually could be like a basketball court as well. So yeah. Okay you guys, so welcome to the pool. Oh my god, there's a big iguana, and I want to be in the jacuzzi. Oh my goodness, living in Florida, man, and I really wanted to go in there. Oh my god. There's the pool right there, guys. You guys, what do I do? Like, the iguana is right there. Look, ew. Woo! Look, guys. Look at the iguana. Woo! You see? Ew. Guys, what should I do? Should I go to the beach or go to the other pool in the back where I live? Because I want to enjoy the jacuzzi, and I know it's not going to really do anything to me, I don't think. But it's like, I don't know. It's weird. Okay you guys, so I had decided to just go to the other pool, which is right here, and because there was like an iguana, and it was just kind of scary, and it didn't want to move, so yeah. Woo! Okay you guys, this says shower before entering the pool, but honestly I took a shower like last night and I smell clean. I put lotion and deodorant on and everything this morning, so I don't stink. So yeah guys, but this is the shower, and yeah, I believe it still works. Let me see, hold on. Yeah, it still works, guys. So you guys, I kind of didn't show you like the pool environment. So there's like tables over there, chairs and more chairs over here. Yeah, this is nice. Very beautiful out here. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I kind of didn't show you guys my outfit or my swimsuit. Can't really see it, my arms are short, but I kind of have shorts on and that's in the, I keep saying tank top, but my one-piece swimsuit and my sandals, so all black. So I'm here in the water and it's really hot, so I'm gonna like take a dip because I'm sweating in places. So yeah guys, enjoy this pool vlog. I might probably try to turn the camera probably in different sections of the pool because I mean, I don't know if I could put the selfie stick kind of in the water a little bit, but I don't know, I kind of don't want to risk this one. This is a second selfie stick, so yeah. You guys, this is fun. This is so fun. I know that you guys probably look slanted, but yeah guys, I'm literally chilling right now. Yo, this water feels amazing. I had to clean it because there's just so much stuff in here. I'm kind of sad because like I really wanted to go to the other pool, and the other pool has like a jacuzzi, but like there was an iguana, and plus the other pool was kind of dirty too. But I mean, I wouldn't mind cleaning it, but it's just the fact that like there was a big huge iguana, and I live in Florida and it's just not my thing. So yeah. You guys, my phone fell in the water again. I can never be great. Yeah, it fell in the water, and so yeah you guys, so my phone fell in the water, and again, as I was trying to clean, and I think that happened because I was trying to clean it with the I don't know how to say it, but like with the machine, there's like machines over there, and I was cleaning the pool, and I guess like it must have knocked over my phone. So yeah, but my phone is okay. Yeah, I feel like it's okay. So but yeah guys, another day at the pool. I kind of want to do better at like editing, guys, like, you know, like how like you see like the travel vlogs. I really want to like edit that like really good, of like all the videos in 1 second. Yeah, I think that's kind of cute. But mermaid. Mermaid guys, mermaid. Guys, I kind of don't know what I want to talk about because I feel like I always talk about the same thing. But yeah, I'm grateful that you guys are subscribing to my channel. It means a lot. I'm really trying to grow it this year, and I feel like it would be like a new thing, a good thing for me. yeah, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. I don't know, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna draw for a little bit, but you guys, oh, it's so nice out here. I feel so beautiful right now, so beautiful. I kind of have to put you guys in the sun because otherwise you guys won't really see me that much. But yeah, look at the water. Woo! It's kind of hard to swim and hold a stick because I don't want to drop my phone in the water. But yeah. This is so fun. So fun. I love you guys. Ew, look at that stuff in the water. Ew. You guys, I'm so cringy. Like, I watch my videos and it's like really, why did you do that or say that? But I mean, it's okay because it's like improvement, you know? So I don't know, it's kind of weird talking to myself, but I would go live, but I kind of want to edit this video out because yeah, it was a little chaka, so yeah. I love Florida. I never want to leave Florida. Guys, I'm a mermaid. Mermaid. Oh yeah, so I do know how to swim. It just looks like I don't because I'm holding the selfie stick. So it looks weird. But yeah, this beautiful pool. Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna show you probably some clips of me drowning again today. I feel like the only things that I've been doing so far is like pool, the beach, the park. And the reason why, honestly, is those things are kind of free to do and to give you guys like good content, because it's free and kind of helping your girl try to give you something to watch, because right now my pockets are thin. And yeah, that's kind of why I've been doing the same type of videos. I know, and I really want to change that up. If you guys subscribe and give me at least to 500 subscribers, that will kind of grow my channel a little bit. Then you guys will get more content from me. And yeah, you know, I don't ask for too much. I think that this would be something that I would love to enjoy. And honestly, I should have started years ago. Everyone kept saying to me, like, Jada, like, do vlogs or do makeup tutorials. And I feel like it was always just like a mindset of me just like, I don't know, just like stuck. Maybe because like maybe the environment, or maybe just like mentally here was just like, I don't know, like, you know. So now I'm trying to just do it, and honestly, I don't care where I'm at doing it. Like, that's another thing, like, don't make your circumstances like stop you from like not trying to do it. That's what I'm trying to like get out of. Like, whatever your environment is, if it's not like a clear background, or like, oh sorry guys, I'm just trying to move these little bugs. But yeah, so I'm just mentally trying to just push myself, not try to worry about the views or the likes. I guess that's what everyone's saying on YouTube, like, don't worry about like the views or like no one liking it. Just keep pushing and acting like you're at 1 million subscribers, or like 100K or something like that. You just, I guess, gotta keep posting. And I'm literally trying to post but I feel like I keep doing the same type of content, and I don't know, maybe I should just try to change like the titles of the videos, I guess, because I guess that'll kind of grab attention to people. So yeah. And by the way, like a couple weeks ago I got a tan, so yeah, I kind of look a little different. And I kind of did my hair. I know I'm in the pool and it was like, why would you try to do your hair? But I tried to look presentable for you guys, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, since my phone got wet again today, I'm gonna probably have to go a day. Well, it didn't tell me, but I think I should go a day without charging it, or a couple hours without charging it, so that way like the liquid doesn't stay in the phone, because I really need to keep this as like my something to record, because I don't want to invest in a camera as yet. Yes, I will in the future, but right now I feel like my phone is pretty good to like vlog, so yeah. It's so nice. I wish, guys, I wish I had like a mango or like some snacks or something out here, but yeah, it would have been really, really nice on the poolside, you know. Yeah. This is really nice. But yeah, guys, woo! Let's just show you guys me swimming. Probably like, swim, Jada, swim. Yeah, guys, this is my personality, by the way. Woo! Like, I'm so scared. Like, I want to swim, but it's like I'm holding the stick. I could swim, guys. Don't come for me. But yeah. Woo! Okay, guys, I'm gonna probably put the phone down. I said the clip down. I'm gonna put the phone down for a little bit, swim a little bit, and yeah, I don't know. Maybe should I show you guys me swimming a little bit? Maybe I should. I should show you guys a little bit of me swimming, and then I'm probably gonna draw for a little bit, and yeah. Okay. Guys, like that, because I'm not trying to adjust it anymore. But yeah, I'm a mermaid. Guys, I'm a mermaid. Woo! Woo! You guys, I kind of wish I was a little bit taller sometimes, because I don't have to like jump up or anything. But guys, I'm loving this swimsuit. Like, I'm feeling beautiful. I feel like a princess, a queen. It fits my skin tone really good. The only thing is, I kind of wish I had this in different colors, because in different colors it would look so like, I would appreciate it even more. Like, I love it. Like, even though black is like nice on me, but I feel like I want to bring out colors. Oh yeah, and another thing, guys, is once you guys subscribe to me and I hit like 500 subscribers or more, not saying stick at 500 subscribers, but like, you know, to start off, I'll probably be buying like swimwear from like Shein or like Fashion Nova or Jersey, how to say it? I don't even know how to say it. But actually, there's another website too. It's called X Pluswear, something like that, or Shapewear. No, Pluswear. And they look like they might have like my size, and I want to order from there, like some things. And yeah, so you guys can see like spring or summer swimsuits for like my type of body. And yeah, that would be really nice content to give you guys, swimwear. And if you guys can't find like swimwear, I would really recommend you try to go to Burlington as your first go-to, because if you have a body like me, I would say to go to Burlington first, because I've tried Ross, Marshalls, all the stores that are for the low, and none of them had like my size or like anything cute that I would like. So yeah, try Burlington. I got lucky with like 3 that was good. But yeah, and thank you guys for making my swimwear 1K views so far. And yeah. Woo. But yeah, guys, I love the water. But yeah, that's what I want to do for you guys. I want to do hauls. I want to do more makeup videos, but I really want to do makeup videos somewhere that, you know, has a better background, so that way you guys could actually see like a full tutorial on how I do like my brows, my face, you know, just everything, even hair. So I love you guys, and I might show you guys another clip of me drawing. I'm not sure, but yeah. Woo! Yeah, guys, I can't wait to give you guys more hauls, and I really want to do swimwear and dresses and skirts and type of things like that, but I need more subscribers, so please subscribe and click the notification bell, which means that turn once you click subscribe, it's going to tell you if you want to put all notifications on. You click that bell, and yeah, so you'll be able to see all my videos. So I love you guys. Woo! Oh gosh. You guys. So I've been thinking, and I feel like I want to go to Jamaica. And it's like, in order for me to make that happen, like, I have to have the funds, you know? Anyway, yeah guys, so I kind of want to go to Jamaica or Mexico again. Like, I mean, I know Florida's nice and everything, but it's like, I need a vacation. Like, you know, I need to get away from the United States. And just like have fun, you know. But yeah guys, that was my rant. I really do want to go to Jamaica. Like, I haven't been there in years, and it's like I'm starting to feel like it doesn't exist at all. Like, does it exist? I don't know. But yeah, I really want to do like travel vlogs there and make content there. I want to make content there and have like real authentic Jamaican food. Guys, I got a tan. Oh, it's okay. But yeah, my phone kept shutting off because of the sun out here. So I just kind of wanted this vlog to be a little long. I mean, I know it's a pool vlog and I keep doing the same type of vlogs, but